You just got paid. It's payday, and that sweet cash is finally in your bank account. You're ready to treat yourself, maybe grab dinner, or perhaps save for that vacation. But there's a catch: you want to use Cash App. So, the burning question is, how long does it actually take for that hard-earned money to show up in your Cash App balance? Let's break it down. First off, it's important to understand that Cash App isn't a bank. It's a peer-to-peer payment app. That means it handles money a bit differently than your traditional bank account. When you transfer money from your bank to Cash App, it's not an instant process. There are a few factors that come into play. The type of transfer. Instant transfer. This is the quickest way to get your money into Cash App. Usually, funds are available instantly. However, there's often a fee associated with this option. Standard transfer. This is the free option. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to show up in your Cash App balance. Bank processing times. Your bank also plays a role. Some banks are faster than others when it comes to processing transfers. If your bank is on the slower side, it could take longer for the money to reach Cash App. Cash App system status. Occasionally, Cash App might experience technical difficulties or increased traffic, which can cause delays. It's always a good idea to check Cash App's social media or support channels for any updates on their system status. What about direct deposit? If you set up direct deposit with Cash App, the timing can vary. Generally, it should arrive on your payday, but there might be slight delays depending on your employer's payroll process. Tips to speed things up. Verify your identity. Completing identity verification can sometimes expedite transfers. Check your Cash App balance regularly. Stay updated on the status of your transfer. Contact Cash App support. If you're experiencing unusual delays, reach out to Cash App's customer support. Now, let's talk about some common misconceptions. Many people think that once the money leaves their bank account, it's instantly available in Cash App. That's not always the case. It's essential to understand the process to avoid frustration. Also, remember that weekends and holidays can impact transfer times. If you initiate a transfer on a Friday, it's likely that the money won't be available until the following Monday. To summarize, the time it takes for your money to land in Cash App depends on several factors: the type of transfer, your bank's processing speed, Cash App's system status, and whether it's a direct deposit. While instant transfers are available, they usually come with a fee. Standard transfers are free but can take a few days. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.